Alrighty guys, here's a pretty iconic fan. This is a 1986 CEC Georgian 303D in brown. I got this fan from a Habitat Restore while fellow YouTube user RustyBearing45 was here, along with several other ceiling fans. Habitat Restores are just wonderful for finding ceiling fans in. There was at least 30 of them in there. I bought 7, I believe. This was one of them. It came with the floral globe scene on it, which made me very, very happy. And that tassel, I included that one for the light, because, excuse me, the light didn't even have a chain on it. The fan's in mint condition, and it didn't have its mounting bracket, but it just so happens the mounting bracket for the Heritage Leone I had here fit the fan's canopy perfect, and the fan's original ball, so that worked out well. Didn't even have to change the mounting bracket when I replaced the fan. So, the whole fan works very well. Here's the light. I just got a little 25 watt bulb in there. Didn't need this one to be bright. And we'll go ahead and put the fan on low. Tell you what, this is a pretty fast little fan. It moves a lot of air for what it is, and it really gets up to speed quick. It's got a pretty good sized motor for a 36-inch ceiling fan, I'd say. And out of all these I've ever seen in my life, this one definitely has the best bearings, because the bearings don't make any noise at all. And the fan doesn't hum at all. It's dead silent. Couldn't ask for much better than that, although it's definitely had its fair share of use. I'm standing quite a ways away from it, and I can already feel air. It was in perfect balance. I didn't have to do any balancing work to it at all. The blades make a perfect circle, which is definitely a first for any ceiling fan I own. Oh, wrong one. Here's medium. Like I said, this little fan gets up there pretty quick. I also got a SMC Laguna there, and this fan goes faster than it does once it warms up, but the Laguna's faster when they're cold. Moving a pretty good amount of air already. And on high, this little thing goes insanely fast. Wobbles a little on high. Like I said, very fast ceiling fan. And it's moving a whole lot of air. I think this fan looks perfect with that floral globe on it. Alright, I'll go ahead and shut it off, stop it, and show you updraft. I'll use medium to get it up to low speed. Here's low. This fan's speeds are a little bit slower on updraft. Still doesn't make any noise or wobble anymore. Here's medium. And here's high. Actually wobbles less than updraft because it doesn't really wobble at all. I can feel it right now. Definitely couldn't ask for a much better Georgian than this one. And we'll go ahead and shut it off. When I got it, it was quite the dirty fan. It had all sorts of dirt on top of the motor and everything, and the blades were pretty coated, and it took me a little while to get it as nice and shiny as it is now, but it was definitely worth the work. It's probably my favorite little ceiling fan ever, because I wanted one for so many years. I remember having one of these in my kitchen when I was a really, really little kid, and it got taken out when I was like 4 because the motor died, and never saw another brown one in person since. So, saw this one, and I was definitely very happy. And the floral globe made it even better, that's for sure. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching. And I hope all you guys enjoyed.